Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your problem. Problem is that this phone number is not used for the verification. So you may face issue that when you're creating your Apple account, and you may face issue that this number is not used for verification. So how to resolve that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad, when you're creating your Apple account? Simply just go to settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go to general section and just go to software update, and you have to make sure you just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So many users face that issue that when they did not update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, so they cannot glitch on that section. They cannot verify your phone number for that reason. So make sure that you just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, simply scroll down and you see that there is an option of VPN and device management section. So make sure that you just disconnect VPN from here. So the main issue is that you just connect with VPN and connect with VPN, and you just face issue that they cannot verify your phone number. So also main reason is that you just connect with your VPN. So make sure to just disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just go to transfer reset iPhone, just tap on that and just tap on reset and just reset network settings. So that setting, make sure that your phone number gonna reset on that Apple iPhone, and they cannot recognize your phone number is entered in sometimes. So they gonna don't recognize your phone number on that time, and you can again input the number, and they're gonna do that your verify of your phone number. After that, simply just go back again back, and after that settings, simply just go back and just restart your phone and again on your iPhone, and simply just go to settings and try to sign up your Apple account and just create your Apple account. If you may face issue again, simply just go back and just go to Safari and just simply search an applespot.com. Just tap on that, and just scroll down and see that you just select the device which you are using currently. So I currently iPhone, so just have to tap that and just scroll down and just up, and you see that you just forgot your Apple account password. So don't click on that. Just scroll down and you see that there is an option of spot. See that there is an option of get spot. Just tap on that and just go to that interface. And here you just say that the options, you just simply just select passwords and security, and see that there is many options. So simply just try to select the related to your problem. If you don't find, don't worry, simply select any, just like Apple account disabled and any logging in with Apple account, just tap on that and just scroll down and see that there's an option of continue, and just scroll down and you see that there's an option of call us. Simply just connect the Apple support team and tell the problem that you is facing that problem and try to resolve my problem. So you're gonna tell them, and they gonna resolve the problem in some days. So that's the setting. You make sure to fix your issue. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.